Guys, look how intense this rain is coming down. So we're getting really severe thunderstorm coming, and we have like a wind advisory and everything. Look at that, the wind is going crazy. You can barely see out the window. It's actually worse throughout this window. You really can't see very well. Oh my gosh. You can hear that. The rain just coming down like crazy. Wow. Oh my god. I hope the power don't go out. They said we're supposed to be getting a severe thunderstorm, and there's been a series of like really bad thunderstorms and tornadoes. A little bit more south. You can really hear that coming down.